What if you could take your best products, combine them into one irresistible offer, and give your customers a reason to spend more? All in a single click. That's exactly what product bundles do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set one up step by step in less than 5 minutes. Open Releasit Bundles from your Shopify admin and go to the Bundles and Quantity Offers section. Click Create Offer first. Give your offer an internal name, something descriptive that helps you identify it in your dashboard. Your customers won't see this name. Under Products, click Select Products and add the products that will apply to this offer. Select Product Bundle. Bundle different products together. Customers buy the entire bundle exactly as configured. No options, no customization, just one clear and compelling offer. And that simplicity is exactly what makes it so powerful. The customer doesn't have to think. They just see the value, click, and buy. This is where you define the details of your bundle. You have 3 fields. First, the bundle name. This is the name your customers will see in the widget. Use something attractive like Summer Starter Kit or Complete Skincare Kit. Then, Products and Bundle. Click Add Products to Bundle and add each product you want to include. And finally, the bundle discount. Choose your discount type. Enter the value, and you're done. The app automatically calculates and displays the original price and the discounted price. Your customers can see exactly how much they're saving in real time. Choose one of the 4 available layouts: original compact layout, horizontal cards layout, compact stack with progress, or premium visual layout. Check the live preview and pick the one that best fits your store. Then customize the offer header, the title your customers will see above the bundle, and configure the button settings so your buy button is clear and compelling. When you're ready, click Save, and that's it. Your product bundle is live and ready to convert.